Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is your Tuesday sales tip, Justin St. Clair, next level coach. Sometimes leads just fall out of the sky and it seems to be so easy, but then there are also times that are the opposite where the phone's not ringing, our lead count is down, our pipelines are getting smaller, and what do? I can tell you I've been in this place more times than I can count. And for me, the number one tactic that I fall to every single time to get out of that rut is daily 20 outbound calls. I will call everybody and anybody that I know, whether it's a past client for annual mortgage reviews, I will call all my realtors, I will call title people, I will call current clients. I'm talking family members, anybody and everybody. Here's what I find after about 2 weeks of just consistently dialing every single day, the leads start to come in. And here's the magical part, they come in from places that I don't necessarily expect. I just feel like it's just one of those things, whether you call it woo woo, whatever it is, but what the energy you put out in the universe comes back to you. So when you're dialing every day, you're making those connections, the universe gives back to you and you will start getting leads. So if you feel like you're in a rut, you need more leads and you need to boost your sales, just commit to 20 outbound calls a day consistently, no matter what. After 2 weeks, I promise you, you will start seeing major results.